Good morning. Today we'll talk about the second session, the seed purity testing. The first point we'll talk about the parts of plants using in reproductions. What is the parts using in reproductions? We have three parts: grains, seeds, and vegetative parts. The examples of grains like maize and sorghum and barley. The seeds like persimmon clovers, cow fodder, and alfalfa. The second were vegetative parts like sun grasses and napier grasses. And what is the seed quality? The first point is physical purity, and second one is humidity rates, and the third one is genetic purity, and the fourth free noxium seeds. The fifth is ability for germination, and the sixth is uniformity of the seeds, and the seventh is free from diseases and insects. What is the object of purity test? It is a purity analysis to determine the percentage of composition by weight of pure seeds. Okay, the purity is an expression of how clean the seed lot is. During purity seeds analysis, each pure seed fraction from the working sample is separated from inert matter and other seeds. The weight out working sample of given weight, from example 250 grams of the total seed lot randomly using an electronic balance.